Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our another video. And before I start my today's video, please do subscribe on my channel Tech Post. So in this video I gonna show you how to make YouTube shorts, okay, with AI very easily. So at first I'm going to CapCut and press import. Now I already made some clips with an AI, so you can see these videos I gonna import right now. Okay, so these are the 5 videos I imported. So okay, now I press the bell icon and add this to my video. So these are now very now I am okay. Now I am take this place to number 1 and take this to number 2, take it number 3, and okay. So this is how you can use and edit your videos. Okay, in another video I will try to show you how I made it. So these are the videos you can see. uh, okay, fine, I already made this video, you can see, and now I run the video. Just look at ha ha ha, isn't it very funny? So these are my videos and now I am going to edit it. So at first I add them all and I increase their speed. Okay, I increase these videos speed, and now I am going to add transaction. So okay, fine, animation, zoom in. So I already add zoom in, you can see, and the video is already zoom. And now another effect I used, each and every videos you can use your own effects. Okay, so here are a lot of effects you can see and you can use it with your own credibility. I used it with my own imagination. So see, images are created already, and okay, now I finished the video. So if you want to attract and make it more eye catchy, then you can use transaction. So here are a lot of transaction you can see on this option. So these are the transaction, guys. You can add another scene. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, these are the transaction I already used. See, transactions are here, and you can use, there are thousands of transactions are here. Okay, so you can choose easily any of them and make your video more beautiful and eye catchy. And finally, after when your video will gonna finished, you can export this video. Okay, so guys, this is our today's video, and yes, export done. And please do subscribe my channel Tech Post, and what would you like to see next, please do comment below and inform me. I will try to show you that content on my next video. Until that time, stay connected with me and stay connected with our channel Tech Post. Goodbye.